Kelton is a ghost town just north of the Great Salt Lake in the Park Valley area of Box Elder County, also known as Indian Creek. It was the center for stagecoach and freight lines running between Utah and into Idaho and Oregon. A large Chinese population lived in Kelton, and with the completion of the railroad a few stayed. Once an important section station on the first Transcontinental Railroad, Kelton was dependent on the railroad and the stagecoach routes. At its peak, Kelton had the population of 700. There were weekly, if not daily, holdups on the stagecoach. The town suffered serious setbacks in the 1880s when its busy stagecoach route to Boise, Idaho was discontinued. And in the 1903 period, when the loose end cutoff left off its main rail line, the strongest earthquake in Utah history caused severe damage in 1934. But Kelton didn't actually cease to exist until the rails were completely removed in 1942 during the World War II era. William Riley came west after the Civil War following the building of the Union Pacific Railroad, and upon its completion settled in Kelton, Utah, where he and B.M. Mallory became associated in the drug, jewelry, and notions business. Also, as postmaster and the agent for the stage lines and the express companies that at that time were the only public conveniences for Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. On discovery of the mines of Wood River, Idaho in 1880, he moved to Belvidere, Idaho, where he was the postmaster and the druggist, J.J. Tracy being associated with him. A redwood water pipe system was built between the Raft River Mountains and Kelton, which ran about 7 miles. Many residents lived in tents during this period. The town boasted 13 saloons at one time. From Brigham City, go north on I-15 and then northwest on I-84 after the Snowville exit. Take Highway 30 west. After driving approximately 25 miles, you'll find a gravel road on the left that goes south to Kelton about 3 miles. The cemetery is located at the west end of the old Kelton town. It is hard to find any burial records of the Kelton cemetery, but we did the best we could, and we have a few of the records for you. I hope you appreciate the research that we did to get all the information on Kelton. We're trying to preserve the history here, and we're not much to find here as far as history, just a couple of cement foundations and some old railroad timbers, and that's all you're going to find out here.